Hi everyone, it's Artemystik Kate, and I'm doing a Prima Marketing watercolor coloring book and watercolor confections review video. It's been a little while since I've done one of these. It's been a few months, so if you've been following along on this series, I'm sorry that it took me a few months to get to this one. So today, the painting I'm doing says, "Blessed are those who give without remembering and take without forgetting." I love these positive messages in this watercolor coloring book. It's just full of all of these wonderful motivational things to hear. And this is a really great one, especially for right now, right around Christmas. We're giving a lot of gifts out and receiving gifts. And, I want to take this a step further and take it beyond the material gifts, like what we might receive around the holidays, whatever holiday you may observe, and whatever time of year. It's more than giving gifts. It's about giving of ourselves and not requiring others to prove anything that they got from it, or to show their appreciation or anything like that. It's just to give for the sake of giving, and to take without forgetting what others have given you, whether it's a material possession or whether it's something that goes so much deeper than that even. And it's just something that I think is really important for us all to take a minute and remember, that it's really important to give without expectations of others, and important also to be able to receive in a gracious way. So it's about being gracious and grateful. So I really enjoy having this moment to think about that message and talk about it with all of you. I also wanted to talk briefly about why I've taken a few months off from this series. I had a lot of trouble with my health, and my autoimmune disease issues were kind of flaring up, and my Hashimoto's disease really got out of control for a while there, and is still, I think, pretty much having a little bit of trouble being stable. So my thyroid's all over the place, and that kind of sets off things with my mental health. And I've talked about it before in this series, using art as a way of helping with all of these health issues. And I've been doing all kinds of other art, and I just kind of needed to take that time for me to do whatever my soul was feeling like doing, and not just the messages in the watercolor coloring book. And, I needed to take a break from needing to communicate with all of you that might be watching, because I wasn't in a good headspace. My Hashimoto's was going up and down, and that was really affecting my bipolar too. So I kind of was all over the place for a little while there, and I'm still working on all of that. And I think that's really important to share with all of you, because I think a lot of you are on the same sort of journey as me, with a lot of ups and downs, and just trying to find your way through, and using art as a way of healing and growing and encouraging more beauty in life. So I really like how this little painting turned out. I do realize, though, it's kind of funny. Right at the end, I forgot to fill in the scroll work at the bottom underneath the word "forgetting." So I forgot that, but I added that in after. So thank you for watching, and I wish you all many, many blessings.